This is a text that has been cut through the wall, solid wall. If you want to place this type of text, you can place it and cut it through the wall. Here is the void of the text using the void form. And when we cut out, it's already cut out through the wall. This is a solid wall and this is a void form. Let's see how we can do this using a little bit of trick and patience in tracing the letters. This is how to cut a text into a solid wall halfway through the depth, because when you use the model text you cannot use it as a cutting tool to this wall. So let's use a different method. Let's select the front view. We're using a metric generated model. So let's set the plane. This is the plane that I have created midway of the wall. If you look at the reference level, I have created this as an Autodesk reference plane because I want to cut it halfway. The depth of the wall is 500, so I place it at 250 mm. Let's go to front view and let's create a model text. We'll just follow the contour of this text. Let's create a simple one. Let's set the height. Let's use it about 500 for now. Let's move it where we want to place it. The trick in cutting this text to the wall is we need to go to the void forms and manually place all the lines. Here, let's trace the lines. We're going to use it as our reference. Just place it as close as possible. Select all this line. Because I haven't found any way to really cut the text. It's I think a tool that hasn't been implemented by Revit. So let's create the line. Let's follow this spline using the spline. Then we can adjust it later. If you have requirements to place this text, we are just tracing the text here. Then we're going to use the spline again. If you want to place more points, it's easier. You can adjust it later. We're going to place it as close as possible to the top. So let's create a line. Let's follow this line. I'm just tracing it as fast as possible so you don't get bored. So let's create a circle here. Let's create a circle here, or let's use this one. Then we'll place another one. So we're actually just tracing the. Now we can set the depth of the void by negative 300 and click finish. Save the project. Text. This is just one way of doing it if you have a simple text and a requirement to cut it through the wall. So let's make sure it's cut geometry, and let's go to the 3D view. You can see the text is already embedded and cut through the wall. If you click it, we can go to the reference level and make sure it's cut. Let's delete the first text, which is the Autodesk or the Auto. We haven't cut this one yet, so let's zoom in, and we can still edit the extrusion void. Let's create these lines, tracing and following these lines. Okay, now we have added the required cutting or profile. Let's go to 3D. Now we have cut the wall using the void form and adding a 3D text view, a cut geometry view. See, it's cutting through the wall. So that is how to cut a 3D text into a wall. If you want to make a bigger cutout, you can also do it. You can place some lights inside it just to show some lighting and profile. So this is how to cut a 3D text into a solid wall halfway embedded into the